Hello and welcome back. So last video we have seen that how to apply the CSS for your own component. Okay, now I want to apply Bootstrap for my Angular setup. So to configure Bootstrap, first of all I have to take a backup. Okay, I don't want to use this component. I want to use completely a Bootstrap setup. So how you take a backup is see we have changed in very few files, just one components folder and just app component, that's all, right? But we have a huge project structure we have. So if you want to take a backup, what you have to take a backup? For example, if you go to the project location on your desktop, see here, so this is your first app we were looking at. What man? Okay, uh array, fine. See, in the first app, if you see, it is more than 200 MB, 300 MB is there. Okay, so just to have this small example, we have 300 MB source code. Okay, and if you want to take a backup, don't take a backup of all the files. Okay, so what is my plan is in the entire 300 MB, only that node modules is more space. Okay, see 360 MB is that only. Okay, so what is my plan is I want to have one master copy, that is first tab. Okay, one master copy for all the examples is first tab. If you want to take any source code backup, so I'll create a separate folder. For example, we are discussing the Angular core module. So what I do is I create a separate folder along with my first tab. So what I do is Angular core module. Okay, so in this so for every example I create a folder. For example, first folder 01 hyphen, just numbering system, angular hyphen css styles. Okay, so angular with css styles, so this is my concept. So we have already done the code. So what I do, I go to first tab, I copy everything except idea and node modules. Idea is just a placeholder file for WebStorm, and node modules is all the libraries. We don't need all the libraries, we just need a source code. So let's copy the remaining things. I go to core module, CSS styles, I'll paste it. So now I have a source code of all this, this CSS styles. Okay, and next time if you want to configure Bootstrap, so you must create a folder called like Angular uh, Bootstrap styles, this way, and you will paste the source code of Bootstrap except node modules. And then, sir, how do I practice? Simple. If you want to practice the CSS files, copy all of them and replace in your master copy first tab. So automatically you get the source code. Okay, that way you have to do. And if you want to try the Bootstrap styles, just copy the content of it and replace in the first tab and start your server. Okay, so multiple ways you can test it. Okay, so now we have taken a backup to CSS styles. So now we can clear things here. First, let me stop the server. Exit from here. Stop the server is Control C and Y, enter. So it is stopped. Now what I do is first let me delete this components folder. Delete it. Okay, let me revert it back to original setup. Okay, and if I delete it, I go to app component, I remove the card. Okay, so you remove the components folder and you have removed the component from the app, that's fine. And some other place also that card was using, you know what, module. In app module it was configured something, right? So just go to app module again. See, card component, we it's there, but now we have removed. So you must remove the import statement and you must remove the card from there. Now save it. So now your application back to original. Okay, so there is no component, There is nothing configured in app, and there is nothing in there in the app module. Okay, now let me start my application ng serve. Okay, started. I go back and refresh. So I only have a navbar and nothing else, and no error also here. Okay, perfect. So now we are done with this. Okay, so now you understand how to take a backup for your source code, correct? Okay, and now we are going to configure a Bootstrap for our application. So to connect Bootstrap, so let's go to the official website, Bootstrap. So as of today, the current version of Bootstrap is Bootstrap 5.0.2. So we'll be using the same. And if you want to add a Bootstrap, so just go to the download. Here we have, you can download the complete CSS and JavaScript files, and manually you can download and connect, or else you can install them using the npm. Okay, so what I do is I'll just install them using npm. So let's copy this npm package, npm install bootstrap. So first you go to your application and make sure you stop the server. Here you have to paste npm install bootstrap and make sure you stop the server, okay, and enter. So this will download the bootstrap. So this will take a few minutes or few seconds sometimes. So make sure you have a proper internet connection to download this bootstrap library, because it will download a bootstrap library from online and just make the setup in your node modules folder. Okay. Okay. So it is done and you get some warning, just ignore. Fine. So we got same bootstrap 5.0.2. Okay. Okay. Next, sir, where is that bootstrap installed? Simple. If you go to node modules, there you can search for a b c d bootstrap. Okay, so in the bootstrap dist folder css, you have bootstrap.css, and javascript folder you have dist folder. In that, uh, I think not, sorry, not there, here javascript bootstrap bundle.js. So these two required. So for example, see here, we have just downloaded bootstrap. Okay, but if you want to have bootstrap setup to be work in your application, you have to configure the files. For example, see, they have given this way. So you have to connect bootstrap.css for your application and bootstrap.bundle.js you have to configure for your application. So those things are there in my node modules folder. So where should I configure them in your application is, you need to go to, close it. Yeah, you have to go inside angular.json. Okay, so this is the configuration file for Angular application. So inside, uh, there will be something called styles. Yes, exactly, line number around 29. You can find the styles and scripts. So already our global style sheet has configured style.css. Before that, you have to configure a bootstrap. Okay, and what is the path I have to give? So you need to give the path node modules. Okay, so node underscore modules. In that, you need to go to bootstrap, see, bootstrap folder slash. In that we have a dist folder. In that we have css folder. In that bootstrap.css, all lowercase, .css. Okay, css has configured, and we need one more, bootstrap bundle.js. So where is that is, below the css we have js. So bootstrap bundle.js. So I'll just copy up to dist, and where we have to configure js is in the scripts. Okay, so let's paste it, dist slash uh, js folder slash bootstrap dot bundle dot js. Okay, exactly the same name you have to specify here. Okay, So you have configured the bootstrap.css, bootstrap.bundle.js. Just save it. Okay, and minimize that. Okay, so once you are done with this, you can start your server and check. So I'll say npm, sorry, it's ng. So I just start the Angular server and I'll check is that Bootstrap is successfully configured for my Angular application or not. We'll see. Simple. You have to install and then configure them in the angular.json file. Okay, it's been started. No issues with the configuration as well. So back here, I refresh. Okay, you get something. Fine. So how to test Bootstrap? Simple. So if you know about Bootstrap classes and all, you try. Otherwise, you just go to Bootstrap docs and you can search for components. In that, you can find something called buttons. Yeah, let me copy this source code of the buttons and I'll just paste in my close angular.json. Go to app component.html. This is what your navbar, right? Here. So below navbar, I'll paste all my buttons code and I'll check. See, you have got all the buttons. Okay, so you have not written any single line of css, but due to bootstrap classes you got all the buttons, but only one problem was each button doesn't have enough space between them. So you want to give some customized styles on top of bootstrap, you can refer your style.css. So what I do here is below this body dot btn is a button, it's a bootstrap class. I'll say some margin, some 5 pixels. Okay, so let's check. See, we got a nice margin for all the buttons. So now looks like the buttons which they have displayed. Not only button, you can try anything else. For example, if you want to have a card, okay, so you want to display some card here, but you have to display image as well for card. Okay, or else you may get some navbar. See, you have a nice navbar here. So this is the complete navbar. So can I copy this navbar code? I just replace my nav. Okay, just for time being, I'll paste it. Okay, something which is there as it is in Bootstrap, I paste it. So let's check. See, you got a navbar and you got a drop down, but color was not proper. We need to check, and that's fine. And also some background. Okay, let's say navbar dark, and let's say bg dark. See, you're getting the hint also for colors. So let's check. You got a black color navbar and you got all the buttons. That's it. So successfully you have configured Bootstrap for your Angular project. So next next video, we'll see how to use those Bootstrap concepts in your own components. Okay. So let me take a backup of this code. Simply what you do, where is your source code? Your source code will be on desktop here. So in the first tab, copy everything except these two. Copy. So go inside Angular core module, Bootstrap styles. I'll paste it. So now here, Angular.json Bootstrap configured, and also in my source code, I have a Bootstrap story. Okay. So now I have taken a backup of this example so that um, I can remove these things. Okay. So first of all, I go to app.html. I clear everything. Just say h2 app component. Okay. So I got just app component. Okay. So we are back to here. Okay, fine. So that's enough for this video, and the next video we'll see I want to change the Google font. I don't like this font. I want to change to some other font. And also I tell you how to configure the icons. Okay, font awesome icons, how to configure for your Angular application. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.